You are about to find out the key levels for DWAC, which is for Digital World Acquisition Corp. So again, you've probably heard of this stock. This is a one related to Social Truth and Donald Trump. Now, why are we gapping up so much today? Because we're up 50% as we're recording this video. Now, this is down to Digital World reaching a settlement with the SEC. Again, whenever you have news like this, obviously going to be good because it gets rid of a lot of uncertainty. And obviously the settlement is always going to be taken as good news. So now, what are key levels? So, just from an intraday perspective, we've gone through a lot of these. We basically already hit these levels because the key levels we have at $14. And actually, this one's actually probably clearer to see on $14.85 and $15.70. You can see obviously we gapped above both of these, so it wouldn't be unlikely to see us come back, pull back down to retest these levels because normally you come in at least retest a level before we continue higher. So I'd be looking at that as a key support. But as of where we are right now, we're at about $20.70. What you're seeing is hesitation around this $21 to $22 range. Now, this is our third deviation from the 6 month and our second deviation from the 1 year. So that's firstly why we keep kind of pushing to this range, because this is a high probability statistical area where a lot of orders will sit. And if you put this on the volume profile, you'll probably see the price and control also at this area. So that's why we keep pushing to this area. But considering we're overbought, we have done this on news, I would be looking to get the higher level. So we could be short biased from this level. But again, I would have defined risk if you're shorting at this kind of level. So it means if you're shorting the shares, we're defining it with, say, calls, or using some sort of vertical spreads or vertical spreads to trade the downside. But if we do continue up, the one level we haven't hit yet is at $26.88. This is our third deviation from the 1 year. This is going to be our strongest level. So I was really looking for it this morning. We didn't quite hit it on stream, so that's a bit annoying. But if we do make a second move, that's where we will get our next short position to trade it to the downside. Again, our targets from that short will be $21.70 to around the $21. Again, that would just be a range. We'll take some profits there just in case we get that bounce like we kind of done here. And then if we continue down, looking at 1806, and then the range of 1570 to around 1485. So again, all these levels here can basically be used as support. I would be I'm getting short bias. I'm going to take the short position at 2688. Again, I had a small short as we came into this level, but we kind of already got out of this position. So my only way I'm entering this stock again is if we push higher. If we continue to the downside, again, I'm out of my positions. I'm not looking to enter anything new. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.